Okay, so yeah, so this is very elementary, that outcome is uncertain, we don't know, that is called a randomness of an event. So because we do not know what will be the event, we say it is random, and then we go about likelihood of the event. Okay, again all this is fine, this is all simple thing. Yeah, these are the main things which are very important technically. When you talk of probability, you need to understand what's an event, what is the sample space, what is the possible outcome, okay, and what is that which is causing it? Randomness. Okay. So can anybody tell me, if I throw a dice from a dice which has 6 faces, what's the sample space?
1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1 to 6. 1 to 6. Yeah. Okay. Now, basic thing would be that we have to understand that sample space always will not be like. Suppose I name a question as, what is, okay, let's look at very clearly. What is the probability of getting even number rolled on a dice? Okay, what's the sample space here?
2, 4 and 6.
2, 4, 6.
The possible.
1 to 6.
So space will be 6 and the possible outcomes will be 3.
Yes, that is what you have to understand. Space is whatever be the possible outcome of a random collection of all possible. मतलब वो हमारे लिए यूजफुल हो ना हो does not matter. It is possible. And basic outcome is which you are looking for. When I say probability of an even number on a die, so the basic outcome you are looking for is 2, 4 and 6. And sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You understood that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the point is, these things will get more intricate when we go into mutually exclusive, mutually independent and overlapping and those sort of things. Okay, so please understand this. And again, event क्या है? Any subset of basic outcomes. You have to understand this. Basic outcome का subset है event है. So you will understand. Most probably आप लोग सब लोग आंसर निकाल लेते हैं, but many a times if you understand these things and think in these lines, then it is easy to solve. Okay, go. Let's go ahead. So very simple thing. You see, A and B are two possible events in the sample space S. So sample space S is bigger. What you are looking for is A one time, B one time, and A intersection B is what you are related in. So I hope you understand. This is called intersection of events. ठीक है? Again,
Yes, sir.
this is mutually exclusive. There is no common basic outcome between two events, A and B. So they are mutually exclusive. Okay. Union, again, where we combine and say the event is combination of two events. Okay. So most probably you might have taken this. So I will not talk about this right now. Yeah. Okay. I will directly come to this. Mathematically, it is possibility of an event happening. 0 means impossible, 1 means completely possible or completely certain. ठीक है? Is that fine?
Yes, sir. It's a 0.5.
अरे यार 0.5 मतलब if you do it 100 times, 50 times, it will be there, it will not be there. Okay? So that is what 0.5 means. The point is, event will happen or not happen. There are only two things. But when we say probability, it means that if you do it 50 times, impossible मतलब कुछ भी कर लो, जीरो ही आना है, कितना भी सैम्पल स्पेस बढ़ा लो. सर्टन का मतलब है कितना ही सैम्पल स्पेस बढ़ा लो, उसको वही होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा. एंड 0.5 इज सैम्पल स्पेस जितना होगा उसके आधा टाइम्स वो होगा, आधा टाइम्स नहीं होगा. दैट्स इट.
Okay.
ठीक है. अब ये लाइकलीहुड है, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज लाइकलीहुड, डज नॉट मीन इट विल हैपन. Therefore, I have given the example of casino that you will understand how it works. Okay, very simple. Basic outcome divided by total sample space. ठीक है? Is this fine?
Yes, sir.
I hope by this time you must be understanding this concept also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Okay. अब मैं किसी को randomly पूछूं नहीं पूछूं. There was somebody called A. Chatterjee, I suppose. I need to see the name. Anushka, maybe? Is Anushka the name?
Yes, sir, that's me.
Yeah, so what is this?
So this is the formula for combination. So
What-
finding out the combination.
What is
In
combination?
combination and
What does
combination.
combination mean? What does combination mean?
So it refers to like taking
Taking
a number of things at a time and arranging them without repetition. So I'm not really sure.
Anushka, you have lots of concerns.
So Anushri.
Anushri, sorry. Yeah, sorry. 8 actually is fine. So you had concerns last class, and I suppose I shared this on day before yesterday maybe. So this was taught there also. Where did we touch this in earlier classes? So let us put that out. Where did we touch this topic in last classes, in earlier classes?
So actually I have not attended the back 2-3 classes. I was out of city.
Miss Chatterjee, I have no issues. That's your personal life. But I hope you understand what I'm trying to do. Anyways. Anyone else who understands this? Can anyone tell us what does it mean? भाई रोने धोने से कुछ नहीं होगा. हाँ बताइए. NCK, what does it mean? हाँ बोलो.
Am I audible, sir?
हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, total n है, total n things है.
Answer the number of ways in which k items.
Somebody's mic is open, somebody's
The number of
headphone
ways-
or earphone or whatever be the case, speaker is open so the echo is coming up. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, hello, go ahead.
So am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Sir, the number of ways in which n k items can be chosen from a total of n items is the combination function.
The number of ways k items can be chosen from.
N items. A total of n items
Okay.
is the combination function.
चलो ठीक है. I hope you understand this. So this is very simple. Relative frequency and subjective frequency. This is what we won't touch too much. because this is not mathematics. होता है ना, what are the chances that India will win and somebody says 60%. अब किस में 60% है, बस लग रहा है. That is one. And if you have people voting for you, 100 people have voted, 60 people say they India could win, so that is 60%. That is relative frequency in one sense. Okay. We have talked about this. Is this fine? Hello. We had talked about this continuous and
Yes, sir.
discrete. Now this is where you have to understand. This is where things will go little bit haywire. What's the probability distribution? I think I explained that, but can anybody explain us what's the probability distribution? Yeah, what's the probability distribution? Yeah, anyone? What's the probability distribution?
यस सर.
Yes, बताओ तो यार.
सर प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एक फंक्शन है सर जो डिस्क्राइब करता है सारा पॉसिबल वैल्यू या लाइक्लीहुड एक रैंडम वेरिएबल जो कि एक डिफरेंट रेंज में ले सकता है.
Okay, so what's on the y-axis? What's on the x-axis? What's on the y-axis? What's on the x-axis?
So y is the probability.
Yeah, okay, so please make this chart. This is very important. We will not talk about all of them. We will talk of binomial, we will talk of Poisson, we will talk of normal, uniform की ज़रूरत नहीं है, and exponential mean. 1, 2, 3 are we going to talk about. Okay, and we will see how binomial or Poisson becomes normal. If you have seen the news. Okay. So I think this is very easily understood.
सर पिछले वाले स्लाइड में पिछले वाला स्लाइड
Can you increase your volume if possible a little bit?
नहीं
Yeah, yeah.
प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज अ मैथमेटिकल फंक्शन इसमें प्रोबेबिलिटी होता है ना ऑपरेंड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट पॉसिबल आउटकम्स ऑफ एन एक्सपेरिमेंट.
What are you asking?
And I wanted to ask ये जो डिस्क्रीट में ये तीनों पार्ट है बाइनोमियल हाइपर ज्योमेट्रिक एंड पॉलिनोमियल ये है क्या?
Okay, so let's come to this gradually, that how these distributions are made, because you understand that there is the probability distribution. What is probability distribution? It's a distribution of frequency or frequency of probability of event over the values of event. That's fine, but we try to give a mathematical explanation or we try to give a mathematical form, because what you are saying, so it ultimately it will be points, it will be combination of x, y. Is that you understand that? There will be x, there will be y, and there will be multiple points. You understood? Hello?
Yes sir.
Probability distribution is that, but we try to differentiate one sort of distribution from another, because ultimately sample of points or multiple points will arrange themselves differently. Is that fine? So to make them explain, we say this is a distribution name. If the graph looks like this, okay, it's a name given to a graph or set of points in a particular shape. Okay. Hello.
Yes sir.
Now the second question comes. Many a time we say the population follows a binomial distribution, or the population follow a Poisson distribution. Because अगर मुझे आपको ये बताना है, let's say the probability distribution of this population, some mathematics or something or something. Okay, so how will I describe that? I always have to give you equation, isn't it? Hello. I always
Yes,
have
sir.
to give you equation, or I have to give you a set of data points, and then you calculate the probability yourself. Okay. Therefore, these distribution are named to a particular. Sorry, these names are given to some distribution, unique distributions. Okay. Having said that, these distributions are not like every time followed, and we will see that when they are followed, when they are not followed. Okay. ठीक है? Hello? Yeah.
But वो जो binomial, hypergeometric and polynomial, मतलब these are types of probability, discrete probability distributions, ना?
Yes.
So मतलब what comes in binomial, what comes in hypergeometric?
That is what I was trying to tell you. We will not do all of them. We will do two of them, binomial and Poisson, and we are going to binomial right now. Do you understand this? But before we go into that, we will talk about these things a little bit. That how to create distribution. Hello, the person who asked. अभी मैं आपको पहले डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बता रहा हूँ बिकॉज मैंने वो ड्रॉ तो कर दिया, मतलब एग्जांपल तो बता दिया नाम, बट बिफोर गोइंग इन दैट डिटेल यू विल जस्ट नेम इट. ओके, सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लाइक दिस? व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 0 heads, 2 heads, 1 heads? Okay, so possible sample of space and basic outcome. Is that fine?
Yes.
This is what we have talked earlier also. Okay, अभी मैं इस पे नहीं बात करूँगा. I will not talk of this right now. Let's go to binomial first of all. Can you read this?
Yes, sir.
Now the first thing is all trials are independent. All trials are independent. Do you understand this thing or not?
Yes, sir.
Second thing, let P be the probability of any single trial as success. Probability of success. ठीक है? Okay? And Q be the probability of failure, which is ultimately 1 minus P. Then if I do n trials, or let's say here, yeah, n trials, what is the probability of getting X successful events? समझ रहे हैं? पहले all events are independent. Either you do two events, मतलब either you do 2 trial, 1 trial, 5 trial, 6 trial, 8 trial, 9 trial, 8 whatever trial you want to do. Okay, they are all independent. Now ये सबको याद है? We discussed this. we expanded the binomial distribution x plus yn. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? What did you say? Hello? कौन है भाई? यार डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन का कोई वो है क्या?
I'll turn off your mic, yeah.
Yeah, anyone please. What's the binomial distribution which we talked about last class? This one. Or what is this? Forget binomial distribution. Yeah, please. Anyone remember this? I think I explained in this class when I was explaining x to the power square, x to the power x plus y square, x plus y cube, x plus y to the power 4, and then we went for the derivation of I suppose fx plus h minus fx upon h, the differentiation. किसी को याद है नहीं याद है? Hello? Yes, no? What did you say? Somebody typed. याद है तो चलो अच्छी बात है. पहली बात तो ये है, let's understand this, that if you do x, we say, listen, just look at this expression, q plus p is equal upon n into n. So what does it mean? Either you will have a success or you will have a failure. If you add both of them, it will be 1. That's nice. Okay? Now we also say, let us put on the board, I suppose. That will be better. Can you see the board? Stop sharing. I have to stop sharing now. Sorry. I will adjust the camera. Don't worry. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
I am just trying
Yes.
to explain to you. First of all, I am assuming you remember this, that I said to you x plus y to power n is equal to xn plus nc1 x y n minus 1 dot 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 y n, or summation ncr x to power r y n minus r is equal to 0 to n. Is that fine? You remember this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
अरे यार, you were just... ठीक है? Now, we say the sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. What does it mean? What does it mean?
Probability never exceeds 1.
No, that's fine, but what does it mean? That possibility of all, probability of all events happening is 1. कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा, ठीक है. So यहाँ पर samples, if you add all of them, if you add, ये होगा बेसिक आउटकम ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में, और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या होगा, सैंपल स्पेस. देन इफ यू डू दिस, यू आर डूइंग अ यूनियन, द कंप्लीट सैंपल स्पेस विल कवर अप. समझ में आया? देयरफॉर सम ऑफ ऑल प्रोबेबिलिटीज इज 1. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट?
Yes.
Yes.
ठीक है. Now we have to tell you, I have to tell you that how do we apply this concept of trials here. So I said P is a success, 1 minus P is failure. Okay. So suppose you have a dice, suppose you have a coin, or suppose you have an event like dice. Getting a probability success is 1 by 6. Getting the not getting a probability of event is 5 by 6. Is that fine? P of 1
Yes, sir.
out of 1 is to 6. Okay? This is fine? Now you see what we are trying. Hello? Yeah. So what we are trying to say, suppose we do n trials. What is the probability of 3 times appearance of 1? समझ में आया ये? हेलो, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? आई एम आस्किंग.
सर ये ऊपर क्या जो लिखा है सर, 1:1:6 है जो.
हाँ, इसका मतलब है ये होता है इवेंट बेसिक सैंपल स्पेस, और ये होती है ये सॉरी ये है बेसिक आउटकम, ये है सैंपल स्पेस. तो 1:6, 1 से लेके 1 2 3 4 5 6 में से लेके what is the probability of 1 coming? I just name it, ठीक है? So it's not a standard practice, but for your understanding, probability of getting 1 out of 1 to 6, ठीक है? So therefore we have a dice. So if we do n tries, what is the probability 3 times appearance of 1? Simple question ये है. Simple question ये है.
NCR पर NC3 1 by 6 का पावर 3.
एक मिनट, क्या n क्या बोल रहे हैं?
NC3 1 by 6 का पावर 3 और 5 by 6 का पावर n minus 3.
Now can you explain this? ये तो फॉर्मूले से आपने बता दिया.
यस सर. सर इसमें n जो है वो है नंबर ऑफ बर्नौली ट्रायल्स, 3 है आपका नंबर ऑफ सक्सेसेस इन n ट्रायल्स, और आपका 1 by 6 है आपका कि हेड्स आने मतलब कि 1 आने का कितना प्रोबेबिलिटी है आउट ऑफ 6 टोटल सैंपल स्पेस, और उसको हम लोग 3 बार निकाल रहे हैं तो उसका पावर 3 होगा, और 5 by 6 से नहीं आने का तो वो होता है n minus 3.
Okay. Can you elaborate it more little bit? ये तो आपने बता दिया, ये ऐसा NC3 क्यों लिख दिया है? अगर हमको ये नहीं पता होता हम क्या करते? If we did not know all this and I just gave you this, how would you have done it?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, why not?
सर जैसे n ट्रायल्स है हमारे पास, वी हैव n ट्रायल्स, तो सर उसमें से n ट्रायल में सर होगा क्या कि कई ऐसे केस होंगे जिसमें हमारे पास 3 बार 1 आएगा, ओनली 3 टाइम्स. तो ऐसे कितने हमारे 3 के कॉम्बिनेशन, मतलब वो जो 1 आए हैं उसका कॉम्बिनेशन जो बनेगा वो हम निकालेंगे, और उसको फिर हम लोग वो जितनी बार अगर जैसे यहाँ पे 3 टाइम्स है, 3 टाइम्स अपीयरेंस है, तो इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी हम 1/6 ले लेंगे और बाकी जो इवेंट्स हमारे हो जाएंगे जिसमें हमारा वो इवेंट नहीं आएगा यानी 5/6, तो उसको हम जितने टाइम्स होंगे n-3 टाइम्स हम उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे।
अच्छा, किसी को समझ में आया कुछ? सपोज n इज 1 2 3 4 8, सपोज n इज 8, ठीक है। व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस हैपनिंग? ये सर्कल का मतलब सक्सेस है। व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस हैपनिंग, ओनली दिस?
3/8.
हाउ मच?
3/8.
आर यू श्योर 3/8? ये मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ बिकॉज लोगों को समझ में नहीं आई ये क्या है। आई हैव रोल्ड अ डाइस, सक्सेस मीन्स आई हैव गॉट 1, सो एवरी टाइम आई हैव रोल्ड अ डाइस, ठीक है। जहां जहां 1 आया वहां मैंने सर्कल बना दिया। व्हाट इज, दीज आर इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, यही गड़बड़ी होती है। 3/8 नहीं है ये। What is the probability of this happening? What is this event? What is the event? What is the event?
So occurrence of 1,
What is this event?
not occurrence of 1.
What is the
Anything except 1.
Listen, what is the probability of this event?
5/6.
What is the probability of this event?
1/6.
What is the probability of this event?
8/5.
This becomes 1/6 power 3, 5/6 power 5. Okay? Is that fine? Yes or no?
Yes.
My,
Yes,
sir.
my no. Who said? Somebody said no. Or yeah, somebody said yes. I just want to understand. Hello. Did somebody say no? We have lunch time, so we'll extend. Don't worry, little bit. So, is this fine or not? That probability of this happening in this sequence is this 1/6, 5/6. Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now my question to you is why you said in earlier formula NC3 और यहाँ पर आएगा 8C3. Why is that? Why that we multiplied by 8C3? Please go ahead. Don't apply this formula. Why? Because question is how many times I can get this? What's the probability of this happening?
Sir,
What's the probability of this event happening?
सर सेम होगा। एक्चुअली जो कॉम्बिनेशन है सर, जैसे जो 3 हमारे जो आए हैं सर, 1 आए हैं, जैसे वो अल्टरनेट करके आए, तो सर ऐसे कई हमारे कॉम्बिनेशन और भी हो सकते हैं।
हाँ, so the
कि जैसे वो
point
3
is,
लगातार आए।
the point is what we are saying among 8 possible outcomes. What are the different ways in which we can circle this as success?
यस सर।
तो दैट इज 8C3। तो इस तरह के 8C3 मतलब 8C3 कितना होगा? वृंदा, व्हाट इज 8C3? वृंदा, व्हाट इज 8C3?
8 factorial upon 3 factorial into 8 minus 3 factorial, 5 factorial.
How much?
So we have to calculate 1 minute.
56.
56 सर
56.
तो इस तरह के 56 बार आपके वो बनेंगे. तो बिकॉज यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, हेयर वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग and here we are adding. This is the main catch. Where to multiply, where to add. आपने 3/8 में क्या किया था? This plus this plus this you added. When you said 3/8, you did not take this. This is what you have to understand. Here we are multiplying all of them. एंड इस तरह के सारे जो कॉम्बिनेशन है वो कितनी बार होंगे? दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, नॉट जस्ट द फॉर्मूला. ओके,
तो सर इसको ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि इफ द इवेंट इज इंडिपेंडेंट तो उसमें मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे ऐसा कुछ.
ओके, वी विल टॉक अबाउट दिस बिकॉज टुमारो इज अ क्लास, वी हैव अ क्लास, यस, बिकॉज it's 1 p.m. right now and people will get overhead. So I have this question to you. You have to understand, when do we multiply and when do we add? Here we are adding probabilities. Probability of this plus this plus this. ये 1/6 को मान लेते हैं P, P2 or let's say A. So we are saying the final probability is 8C3 into A. That means I am adding A times this times A plus A plus A plus A. But here I am multiplying. When do we multiply and when do we add? This is what you have to understand. और ये बहुत बेसिक है. Is that fine?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
We talk about it tomorrow. And if you have any questions, please come up tomorrow. Today we just overshot over some things. Okay?
Okay.